pick up their materials from Trotwood Madison City Schools, they will come home with a laptop bag that has a charger, a carrying case and strap, and a computer on the inside. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place this computer inside the bag and its protective cases. You'll want to do that with the 4 tabs. You'll want to remove them, attach them to the computer, and place it back in the bag. Once you get the case installed, you'll have a tab in each corner and it'll be secured to the case. You'll want to plug the computer in, you'll use the adapter and plug it inside the computer, and you'll plug it into a standard wall outlet. Once you plug your computer in, after a few minutes, it'll boot up and it'll show up to a network not available screen. What you're going to do here is you're going to look for your home Wi-Fi on the list. Some families may have a hotspot. If you're looking to connect to that, check out the video on how to connect a hotspot on the Trotwood City Schools homepage. Into the internet, it'll come to a sign into Chrome screen. To log into your child's account, you will need their last name and lunch number. Some schools may have provided an index card with your student's information on it. Otherwise, your child should know this information. If you need this information, you can contact the help desk. Again, it is your child's last name and lunch number. The next screen will be your password screen. Your child should know their password. It may have been given to you on the login information card handed out by the school, or if you need to find that information, you can reach out to the help desk. You'll notice access to the internet is right down here in the Google Chrome tab. You'll want to double check over here in the right hand corner to see if you're connected to Wi-Fi. It'll be gray if you're connected, it'll be empty if not. The other thing you want to make sure when you go into Chrome is that you're logged into your child's account in the top right hand corner. You'll see a circle. Little advice, leave the computer inside the case at all times. It was built for it to be inside the case. Keep it safe. This computer will be with you all school year and you'll be expected to turn it in at the end of the school year.